We rolling? Make sure we going. Oh shit, we going. It's crazy. I think we're gonna do some of these. I gotta get my abs ready. We about to go to Mexico. Gotta get these abs going. So it looks like we go like this. Shit. Gotta do it this way. Oh, yeah, rain. Oh, I'm not sure I'm feeling enough with that right there. Not sure I'm feeling enough. those bitches hard. My God. I feel the motherfuckers in my arm. Where my arms feel them the most. I'm gonna wait till the ORB. I kind of wanna. These are 4-hour candles. I kind of want to add another entry, but possible sweep up here. We're pretty good size. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. TP. $47,000. It's a lot, actually. It's far as fuck. Not gonna lie. Nasdaq dropped crazy. Everything's dropped crazy. Fuck it, put a 1. 310. No, wait. Keep going. That feels weird. We're gonna have to work on those. Did I put a 1 in there? Fuck, I forgot about that. We gotta keep going, man. 604, yeah. We gotta keep going. What's next? Let's just hit up some crunches. Fuck, I don't know what to do when it comes to abs right now. doesn't feel like it's getting my abs though. Let's just go hard with the good old fashioned. Let's just go hard with the good old fashioned. Like it. Let's get this plane. Fuck that a little bit. Set number 2. I'm sweating a little bit. Should I just pop a 1 in here just because? Like, it's been going up all day. Now I'm gonna wait because I really want to pop a 2. So I'm gonna wait and see if it comes up here. Damn, that's almost 500. Fuck. Not gonna lie, fuck. Spin back. I'll find another workout. That was it. That was the only one that looked like we could do for the abs. I thought I had some other ones. I could probably do this one. We're doing these. Those are a little tough. What is that, 30? I gotta find a good ab. another 10. Bro. I can really feel those. Four more. It's a burn. That is a burn. Back to abs. Let's get it. Problem is my arms. Arms are giving out. Just one. It's just one. That was 30 seconds. 30. That was 45 seconds. I don't see no progress though. I think I'm gonna have to work on what I'm eating. My arms, bro. We're gonna hit 40 push-ups to get inside and we'll see what market open does. God damn. Feel that shit. 100%.
What's up, big dog? Did you get cooked yesterday?
Mm-mm. I fell asleep when it really had that move down. By the time I woke up, it was back up. I'm pretty much in the same spot. Hey, babies. What are you watching?
Trump.
You talking about what?
He's letting, they were asking him a lot of questions, but he was like, stop asking me so many questions and start asking all these billionaires questions.
Mm.
His grandfather was like the CEO of Arco. The other guy next to, like 4 people down from Trump, is the CEO of ExxonMobil.
Dang. Oh, gas people?
Yeah, oil people. Like, yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
He's like, these are, you ask, these just a lot of powerful people around this table.
Mm-hmm.
Ask them questions.
Are they talking bullish news?
Hell yeah. I want to get like a gazillion contracts. That'd be like putting $100 on Bitcoin when it's $3. Bitcoin was $10.
I mean, how do you think it could go up?
Sky's the limit.
I mean, how much money's already in it? There's gotta be trillions.
No, we're not getting trillions, but they got trillions of oil in Venezuela.
Again, Nasdaq is going down. Dow 30 is popping up.
It's crazy.
Man, what the heck is this? What up, Lil Frank?
So, I'm gonna go short on AMD already. I'm gonna wait, but man, I don't want to go short on AMD. Let's see what it looks like.
Sean Martin. Gotta move the chair.
Oh my God, AMD got cooked. Remember that move down I was waiting for last week because it had a gap.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Filled it.
going down to fill it right now.
Oh my gosh. It's actually
They getting cooked.
it's actually crazy. I mean, wow. 315. Oh snap! We got news at 7.
Cool. Yeah, we know he was owned by the other president. Mm. Yeah, I almost bought a 0 date Nvidia game
0 date means it expires by the end of.
today. Yeah. Oh
Man, I'm getting cooked right now, bro.
man. You
That 30 just skyrocketing. Like yesterday, I go to sleep. I was probably up like. I moved my big lot
Yeah.
and took profit at the other one to kind of split the difference.
Mm-hmm.
But I had a lot of my entry left. Go to sleep, just V shape back up. But wow, like I think it might. It looks like it's trying to get to that 50K, which I don't really want to see.
Mm-hmm.
Like honestly, I ain't trying to see that.
Damn. Why don't white people around the table?
Just back up to almost all-time highs again.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Dow?
Mhm.
Oh yeah. You think he's gonna reject or push through?
I don't know right now. I'm still on the sells though.
Meeting this fool is having probably.
I just took another sell near the top, another small position, but I don't know. It could. I don't know. I just got to watch
Mm.
because I want to say it's gonna end the week bearish. Like it's a new month. We got on MT4. We got like 3 shooting stars. It looks like
Mm-hmm.
for the week candles. So I want to say it's gonna be bearish. But I also can see it sweeping the top of the all-time high.
Mm-hmm.
I can also see it pushing massive. I don't know. I'm in sales. That's all. I don't know what's gonna happen. But so far, it just went. I got entry at 49,616, and it's almost back down another 100 from that area. It's just everything else went down. It's like I don't understand. Even gold is going down.
Gold is?
Yeah, gold's almost down 100, $125. I might have to go heavy on this. And just, I might have to go heavy. Down.
To the downside?
Mhm. Just load up like. Is that all time highs? If it pushes through, I got.
You gonna go for the up to the upside?
Mm,
Oh, you said it pushes through.
if it pushes through, I gotta figure out how to cut my losses. You know what I mean? Can't lose too much, but I gotta go heavier because I gotta make it count. Cause this is all time highs. Like it could be a pretty significant move if it even follows what the other ones have been doing. You know what I mean?
You ain't to it. Oh shit.
Do I go up again? Do I wait for the ORB?
They gave him $4 billion worth of oil.
Venezuela?
Venezuela gave the U.S.
Okay. I hate to say it, but when we're talking about countries, isn't that kind of small? 4 billion?
Damn, that's 30 million barrels.
Oh, barrels, not money.
No, 30 million barrels for $4 billion in $4 billion in oil.
I know, isn't 4 billion on country terms? Isn't that medium, I guess? Or is that like a lot?
I mean, 4 billion.
Well, I mean, it's countries. We're talking about whole countries.
That's a lot of money, though.
Mm.
You got like Nvidia saying they're gonna invest $100 million into OpenAI, right? $100 million into OpenAI, and then he said, "Nah," you know, he pulled back on his word. He was like, "I never said we're going to. I said it's a possibility that we may."
Who did Trump pull back or the CEO?
The CEO of Nvidia, the Asian dude. So they got pissed at that shit, like.
Yeah, because it's like.
Nah, you said you
putting that out there.
Yeah.
People are gonna react to it.
$100 million?
That doesn't seem like a lot either, though. I'm not gonna lie.
$100 million.
Elon Musk has more than that.
Of course.
That's one person.
Yeah.
We're talking about.
Million.
I don't know. I guess it doesn't sound much.
Elon is way more than that, but he don't have more than that.
You don't think he has more than that?
I don't think. And liquid probably not. He's worth more than
liquid is like what? Straight cash?
Yeah, pull out your wallet. Because if you ask a lot of
companies,
these people, they say you got $100 million. I'm like, nope. I gotta go sell some shit to get it or borrow against it to get it. Because they don't have cash because they don't do shit. If you watch that old movie, The Lakers, right? The Lakers movie they had on Netflix there.
Yeah, they keep
selling the Lakers for $2 million. Look, I ain't got that kind of cash. I gotta go get that. It's invested. So he had like, I gotta go. So he went to a car dealership. Hey, I need some of my money back. Basically some shit like that. But they don't keep that kind of cash on.
Oh yeah, because I mean, who you gonna walk around with that?
I'm talking about in the bank. You can't go be like, let
Oh,
me get $100 million.
you can't just put that in the bank?
No, that shit is invested.
I didn't know that.
Us, we had that shit in our pocket to go to in and out. Them, hell no.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't doing that shit. So that's 100 million. I'm
Mm-hmm.
talking about 4 billion. You have to have a
I
hundred
mean,
million 10 times to make 1 billion.
I know. I think it's small because of what I'm seeing all the crypto stuff and all that. Doesn't seem like a lot, but in real life, I guess it is a lot. You know, like me personally, if I had that much, it would be a ton. You know, but when I'm thinking about countries and stuff, I put them on different stuff. You
But
know,
that's just given to a country in one day. That's
yeah,
a
it's not a
year.
lot,
For 4 billion?
but for a country,
Yeah, that's a lot.
how much do you
Some
think?
countries don't even make that kind of money. Let
Some
alone give
countries
it.
don't.
Let alone give it away.
But
Yeah. Um,
how many how much money do you think the government takes off taxes each year?
oh man, I don't know. It's a
It's probably a couple 100 billion or less than that.
probably a few billion.
Only a few billion
Yeah,
off the American people.
I would say it's probably a few. It's probably billions. Yeah, I don't know how many billions. There's a way you can look it up on here though.
Mm. If it's only a few billion in a year, then the 4 billion sounds way more than I thought.
I'm sure it's more than a few billion. I mean, we got $1 trillion worth of debt, but
Mm. Also, a lot of the top 10 cryptos have you know, but again, I guess that's something completely different. But they were showing this thing about how much money got taken out of the markets through gold, crypto, oil.
how much was it?
Like, I can't remember actually, but it was like a trillion. All right, little Freddy. It was like a trillion,
A trillion?
something like that. That was over almost all the assets though.
Mm. Yeah,
Man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm putting in another entry. I got to.
I would.
I got to.
Yeah, that's a good
You know,
spot.
trading action has not been successful. No, they playing with me. But what time is it?
6:45. 6:47. My bad.
Oh, we good. Gotta reload. Bro, it's not letting me get this entry in. What are they doing?
You gotta say rents. Yeah, they got rents.
Wait, did it go in? Oh, it did go through.
He said they're gonna get oil, sell oil profits around the world.
Mm-hmm. Ah, it's looking so ugly. Shit. Let me do a stop loss on these real quick. Do a stop loss at. I'm actually kind of nervous because I forgot there is news in 10 minutes. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
God damn.
I can't tell what wrong with this.
You hear that shit? Tycoons, baby.
Like, what do you mean?
You hear that shit?
Mm-hmm.
Inside trading, baby. You telling the American people right now, get in. You telling people, get in, nigga. What the fuck?
That's Peloton? Or,
Volunteer.
oh, that's a that's a master drop. What is that again?
That's it's a tech company. They do it.
Defense?
Nah, the tech.
I know they do.
They do it. The fucking semiconductors and shit.
Mm.
The only one, I thought, like Nvidia's at minus $1.71.
Yeah.
AMD is at minus $31.
Mm-hmm.
Palantir is $12.
That's
Nvidia, nigga, catch up.
okay. Well, that's how I feel about Nasdaq and Dow 30 right there.
Shit, you
Straight up.
cooking right?
Not cooking.
You had a good entry?
I got my lowest entry is 49,250.
Mm.
I have 2 out of 13 at 49,600.
49,600.
Yeah.
That's a good entry though.
2 out of 13. So 11 are all the way at 49.3. Yeah, so I am not cooking.
General Motors pushed through.
If it can catch up to Nasdaq though, I will be cooking. I mean, I gotta wait through the storm. Nasdaq was at 25,900 on Sunday. No, on Monday. I think throughout Monday, and it's at 25,145.
Man, if that shit drops down to 48,800, you gonna be eating.
Yeah, but it was just there yesterday.
Yeah.
Um,
You got a good entry.
Yeah, but if it gets down there, I'm pretty much where I started the week, maybe a little bit more. I started the week at about 49, 107, I think.
Yeah.
So if it, and I'm at 99,000. I started the week at $99,107 in the balance. I'm at $99,012 in the balance. So I just need 100 just to make back what I lost, and then I mean,
Hmm.
I'm just shocked. Like Nasdaq, Dow 30 moving
Smart.
a Dow 30 moving $1,000
Hmm.
is decent. Is regular kind of. Nasdaq moving 1,000 is not the typical,
Hmm.
and it's already dropped close to 1,000. Like
Look at
D-
Exxon.
Dow 30 dropping 1,500. That's a good week,
Yeah.
or up 1,500. We got the news in 5 minutes though, so I want to see what happens. I
Hmm.
mean, I'm still on edge. So did Trump pretty much just split all that oil they took with all the gas people?
Wait. I don't know what he did with the gas he took.
Cause why does he have all those oil people in there?
Cause they all opened their refineries in Venezuela. Cause Venezuela
Oh,
is the biggest in the world. They bigger than Saudi Arabia. They got more oil than Saudi Arabia.
I never knew that.
So they had a production of I think a million barrels a day. Venezuela did, but then the president got corrupt, and then he was only producing I think like 30,000 a day.
Instead of a million,
Yeah, and they was like that shit don't make sense.
and then what is it? You just taking
Because
it, or
you
you?
ever seen Venezuela's inflation?
Mm-mm.
You didn't see their inflation? So they were so corrupt. They could have like a backpack full of money, probably like $1 million in it, and they couldn't buy a loaf of bread. It was so much. The value of their money had went so bad. It'd be on the ground. People just walk past it
But how can they not buy a loaf of bread in their own country?
because they let inflation go to the point their money doesn't mean anything.
So I'm saying their loaf of bread. I get what you're saying. The money's worthless, but if you're in that country, you have a loaf of bread. Will you just trade the loaf of bread for something?
Shit, I don't know what you gonna do. We ain't never lived like that.
Because it's like,
So
what are you gonna do with the bread?
yeah, I'm just that's the price though. How
Mm-hmm.
bad their economy was. So we've never lived like that over here. So the shit that he's doing to try to make America's dollar strong again, like, I mean, sorry that we gotta come in your country and put Exxon Mobil and Chevron and Phillips 66 in your country, create refineries and pump this oil, but he's saying what he's doing is he's gonna pay their citizens first, give them their money, and
Mm.
whatever left over, the oil companies get it and then the US gets it.
Mm. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Cause
You see that 25-year problem.
that makes sense. Cause Biden messed up the money with
Hmm.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Mm. Dang. So the dollar would go up, meaning wait. That means stuff goes down.
It should go down. But in the country of I mean, the state of California, we got a governor that's corrupt.
Yeah, but I mean For stocks, that means stocks go down.
Well, you got companies like ExxonMobil and Chevron. What do you think they're gonna do?
Mm,
You think the company's gonna go bankrupt? Hell no, they're over there
no,
building companies.
I'm not saying bankrupt. I mean their stocks are gonna
Skyrocket. Cause
maybe later, but if the dollar goes up,
cause
doesn't stuff go down?
they're right now they've already um, propositioned to Trump and the U.S. government let my company go over there because they're gonna make money.
Yeah.
Let my company go. Let me get a 20 year contract worth $100 billion, and we'll take care of everything. We build refineries, blah 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 blah. Okay, so you're gonna create jobs in Venezuela? Yeah. You're gonna create U.S. jobs? Yeah.
Mm,
Mm. So that means your company's gonna go. The value of your company's gonna go up because now your company's worth say $4 billion, but in the next 20 years it may be worth $80 billion.
mm, makes sense. But everything else should be going down.
Like, what do you mean?
Like
Stock wise?
I would think. I mean, I get individual companies, but the dollar goes up. The value of everything else is supposed to go down, right? Because
What do you mean?
the value of, like, if gold was
Everything else.
gold, crypto, all stocks that aren't connected to oil,
Mm-hmm.
pretty much anything that has a paired with USD, except the oil, I guess.
I wouldn't say that. I can't really
Well,
say that because
if my dollars was more, then I should be able to get more of your stock.
yeah. So now you're
Meaning,
gonna put
meaning,
money into the system.
meaning, if I'm buying more of your stock because my dollar's more, that means your stock's worth less than it was when the dollar was worth less. You see what I'm
No,
saying?
no, no, no.
You know what I'm saying?
No, no. What you're saying
What
is
about you, Nikki?
Can I get some blank paper out of there, please? Like 4 sheets, please? Alright, John. Alright,
Bye, Auntie Nikki.
so. The thing is too is like if you invest in these companies, right? You making money. Companies are making money. People are making money individually, right? Even like this. If Amazon gave you a raise right now for $100 an hour, right?
Okay.
What you gonna do with that money? 100 an hour.
I don't know. I don't do nothing with my money right now.
You gonna you do. You invest it.
Oh yeah, I missed it.
So you gonna pump it back into the market.
Mhm.
Somebody's market,
Mhm.
whether it's Elon's market or whether it's crypto market, you're gonna invest back into the market. You're gonna put your money back in the gold, and hope gold goes up because the other countries are still making gold go up, whatever they're doing. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So you're gonna put money back into the economy. You
Mhm.
may go get a new car. You may go get a new house. And so once you start doing that, and then all the tools that it takes to build whatever you're doing, those companies become stronger also.
Yeah,
Like
I get that with oil, but
that's money. That's period. That's
I know, but like, for if we use gold for example, right?
mm-hmm.
Let's say Trump is trying to make the dollar stronger.
Mm-hmm.
Making the dollar stronger is having more purchasing power, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I have more purchasing power, that means I can buy more with it. So if I'm buying, let's say gold,
Mm-hmm.
I should be able to buy more gold because my dollar's worth more.
Mm-hmm.
Meaning gold should be going down.
But now you got supply and demand.
Yeah, but what is that? What does that got to do with anything?
Everything.
I get what it has to do with it, everything, but it's
has
like
to
at
do
the
with
same
everything.
time,
Because now, like, okay, now if you look at the
Why would it go up though?
look at the supply and demand of silver, right?
Yeah,
Because of it had a bug. Like, oh shit, it's a mineral, it's going up.
yeah,
It went crazy because so if you got less, right, and everybody's craving it, then it's like shit. It's like Bitcoin.
yeah. We'll go back up a little bit.
They're mining for Bitcoin. It's like well, shit. It's I don't know what mine is, but I'm getting into it because it's a supply and demand. Like they only have so many that you can purchase,
Mm.
right? So you're gonna pump that money back into it. So it's
I may pump the money back into it,
mm-hmm.
but if everybody's dollar goes up, not everybody's gonna pump that money back into it.
How many of you are there? Think about how many people are.
Not enough to counteract. You get what I'm saying? Like everybody's dollar goes up.
Crypto's a big fucking market.
It is.
That's just crypto. Right?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of people. If you take one of you and times it by 100 million of you, times it by everybody, like people invest in 1,000, people invest in 2,000, 10,000, 100,000. Like you got whales, now you got a whole bunch of money coming in.
Yeah. I mean, I get what you're saying with the oil, but like if the dollar goes up, stuff not connected to oil has a direct you know the Dixie DXY. DXY is the dollar index.
Okay.
DXY. If you look at the DXY right now, since stocks is going down, I bet you the DXY is going up, which is pretty much the value of the dollar.
Okay.
Direct indication to stocks in a way. So if that goes up, which is the value of the dollar, most things typically go down.
Okay.
You know what I mean? If I have more money, I put it in the market. I see your point of it going up, but if everybody's dollar is worth more, then my money doesn't have enough effect to really pump up prices because not everybody invests. Most people don't.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
But everything's connected to something. You say most people don't, but most people do. Most people just don't know how to invest. I'll give you an example. ETFs.
Yeah, 401ks?
Yeah.
Yeah,
403s, 406s,
most people do that.
403s, 457,
Yeah.
401. People
You're right
don't
about
even
that.
fucking know. But you have a nation full of people that are like, I just know $200 a month comes out of my check. Where's it going? I don't know.
That's true.
I don't know.
That's true.
And they're investing and they don't even fucking know. Like I was telling people that, oh, my friends and we in a group, oh, fuck Trump, I hate Trump, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, dude, it don't matter how you feel, but SPX is the highest it's ever been. S&P is the highest it's ever been. So whether you know it or not, the motherfucker, he's working for you.
That's true.
You don't even know what you're investing in. You just know that you can call the company and they're gonna be like, yeah, now you've invested $40,000, but now you have $120,000.
That's true.
So a lot of people invest and they don't even know they invested. But the thing is, you want the dollar to be stronger because it does have a better effect on shit than if you had a dollar like Venezuela that's not strong, that can't do shit. Because if you go to another country with the US dollar, they're gonna say, oh shit, here's a dollar, and they're like, okay, well that's 10,000 pesos and shit. Right? So if you go now, it's like, oh, that's the US dollar, it ain't worth shit. I give you a dollar, like, well shit, here's 10 pesos. So the exchange is gonna be great, but and everything is connected, kind of like nature when it comes to money, because the more money you put in your pocket, the more money you're going to spend. The more money a person that don't invest, the more money they're going to spend, right? So it's going to be connected. Whether it's if you lower the interest rates, what is somebody going to do? Oh fuck, I'm gonna go get credit cards, and so they're going to start. I make more money, so I'm gonna get a big credit card with a bigger balance on it, or I'm gonna go buy another fucking car. Now I'm making $75 more an hour. Now I can fucking go afford the big Lexus now. So, and then the interest rates, the banks are gonna get money, right? And everybody everybody, okay, now the banks are making money, CEOs are making money, now we can afford to give our employees a better rate. So everything is going to be connected somehow.
I
And
feel you.
that's kind of how I see it. Now you
Mm.
look at oil companies. I don't really fully know what goes behind the oil companies, but for one, you're gonna have some big ass heavy machinery, earth movers. Metals are gonna be, aluminum is gonna be used to create all these fucking refineries.
Mm.
What's the transportation like? You know what I mean? So even all of that shit. And so now you're building companies that are gonna need more electricity, more gas, more water flow.
Mm.
Everything's connected. So those companies are gonna start paying more in the water, paying more in electricity in Venezuela. So it's
And it's gonna build up the economy.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I see what you're saying.
And they're gonna be able to afford better shit, other shit. So
Mm.
it's definitely all connected somehow.
Because if they get paid in American dollars, then they'll really be
Mm.
Gucci. I would think they would get paid in American dollars, right? Because if their money's not worth nothing, then
I don't know how they want to be paid actually. I don't know
I would
if their
assume.
money recovered or not. But
God dang it, man. This thing is not. I thought it was going to go crazy to the downside.
gotcha.
It's not doing that. It's, dang, Andy's Andy's dad Andy's dad just died, I think.
Who's that? Your homeboy?
The guy that runs the Discord.
Doing doing your millionaire friend?
Huh?
Your millionaire friend?
He's not my.
What's his name?
He's not my friend, Andy.
I thought that's the one you grew up with. What's his name?
No, that's Hunter.
Hunter. Oh.
Hunters is not doing well either, though. I think Hunters is in the hospital.
His dad?
No, his papaw, which is his grandpa. But Andy calls this guy his papaw too, which I can't imagine is his grandpa. Right? Andy's like 50. Andy's like 50. So his grandpa's gotta be like. That's what I'm saying. There ain't no way. I mean, there is a way, I guess. I guess I'm wrong about that. It could be a way, but I'm assuming he calls that
If Andy is 50,
his dad.
great. That's his dad.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah. I think it is his dad. But I've never heard anybody call their dad Papa. I know that's what Hunter calls his grandfather. But yeah, he just passed away, so. And then as soon as that happened, he sent his trades. Standing on business. He was up 11K yesterday.
Damn, was he?
Yeah. You just watch it. Oh, wait. Because I think it dropped after this. Okay, he was up 11, and he took. He put it at break even and took half. But I can't even look at that. I just need to look at the moves. You know what I mean? Because I ain't making none of that. But it's good to see him doing good though. Cause. But I didn't even see this yesterday. I was just getting in. I didn't even see this yesterday.
Making like a protected something?
Do I get in one more time? Or do I realize, like, it could be GG?
What's up, man? What's up, other man?
Because, again, NASDAQ is, like, super low. But they're over here talking about oil that's, like, The noose is gone though,
Mm.
so that saves me from some stress. But this might be a long day. I got the ORB marked up, but for some reason it didn't save it. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. That's crazy.
I'm gonna go like 10 goddamn contracts for Exxon for 2027.
Oh, the ORB got faked out to the downside. That's a lot of contracts. Man, I'm marking up the ORD and I'm just feeling like
2 years though. We see what happens.
From the trading section into here so it doesn't get broken up and get lost over time. But you guys, let's think about this. If you go back and study Hama, you go back to the 1800s, Charles Dow, that did everything for the Dow Jones and Company. And then you look at the 1900s, indicators were simple. So all you had in early was head and shoulders, double tops, moving averages, trend lines, volume analysis. And the reason that's all you had was because that's all that was available, because you didn't have the computing that we have today. So they were manually having to draw this out. You guys remember me talking about being at my grandfather's house, and he would have out architecture
it
paper
might be his
and put dots
grandfather.
on it. So he'd have his price that he manually wrote out on the side of the stocks that he was looking at. He had all these sheets, man, all these sheets, and he would put his little dots and put his price next to it. And then here's the high for Monday. Here's the low for Monday. Here's another high. And his high may be a dot and his low may be a square box. And then all he would do is take a ruler and connect these. And that would give him a chart for him to see if there was a pattern that was developing. That's all he had, because we didn't have computers like what we have today. You get into 2000 and present, and as you see here, your charting is now more about drawing and about decision framework. So when I say that, think about the decisions you have to make. The only decision that you have to make as a trader is, am I going to take a buy or am I going to take a sell? That's it. You can't take a middle ground. There's no such thing. It's a buy or a sell. That's the only decision you have to make. And once you determine, do I want to take a buy or a sell, how much now am I going to risk? That's the next decision that you have to make.
$20 goddamn, and Nvidia is only at $2.
That is kind of crazy, but
Man, you know how you just
Nvidia got bigger.
word stock the other day, like
Nvidia got a bigger market cap than them.
Getting who? AMD?
Than the other one.
Palantir? Yeah. Nvidia's a magnificent 7.
Mm.
But one day I was looking at AMD, I'm like, I'm gonna ride to the downside, but one contract was like $900, $800. I was like, hell no.
Oh yeah, I remember you talking about that.
Right? And now they down like, they went from like, let me see this AMD.
There was kind of crazy volume though.
That shit went from $250 literally down to $206. That's a $44 drop or $46 drop.
That's a lot.
Yeah, for a start.
All right, I'm about to try this week's thing on Ethereum. Now that I think about it, I got all set up. I'm a long Ethereum and see what I can do. I got $90 in the account.
What you gonna do with Ethereum?
No. Oh yeah, Ethereum. And I think I'm gonna use that other platform.
The downside?
No, to the upside. I think I'm gonna use that other platform to buy Solana spot, half Solana spot. Dude, Solana's under $100 actually.
Is it?
And then buy half Solana on Coinbase, just because I don't really know about the other one, but
This is what Ethereum looks like on the 4 hour. So it just,
yeah, but I could hold this trade for years. So I just gotta make sure I'm not liquidated, pretty much.
yeah.
So it's not really
Take it down to 1700.
I'm not even trying to sell. Yeah,
You
it's
want
not
to the
worth
down?
it.
Just ride it to the downside.
It's not even worth it. It ain't worth it. I could just keep adding position on the way down until it goes up. But to ride to the downside, it spikes up. It's like I'm gonna crash out. Like that's crash out worthy. Also, there's a huge gap. You don't see the gap?
I'm looking
Oh, you
at
don't
this
see the
one right
gap.
here.
Look on mine. Look on mine. Look at that gap.
Yeah, where's that at?
200 and 2,666 all the way down to 2,337. And that opened up Sunday.
Oh, that's the Sunday move.
That's almost a $300 gap. Yeah, you can't see the gap though.
No,
But
right there.
it's only on what do you call that? C
CME?
CME. What does that stand for?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's a CME. Massive gap. But I mean, I can see it going down to all the way to 1,400.
I can see at least 17. I would just write this shit down. How much you make if you write it down?
I'm telling you, Big Frey, it's not even worth to write it down. It's not.
$20?
Maybe. I only have $90 in the account.
Fuck it, put the 90 on the downside. I mean, and if you make 110, just you have 110 to the upside now.
No. Now I gotta figure out how to do this thing.
What are you gonna write it up to? Don't say 5,000.
5,000, literally 5,000. I'm gonna set it to where my liquidation price is like $400, and I'm gonna hold it forever. Like I'm gonna hold it forever. That's what I'm saying. If I write it down and I take it to 1,700. Okay, that's smooth. You know what I mean? A little bread. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to even get in a position right now. Like, I'm not used to looking at this, so
If you make $30
I need to figure out.
$90, then you've already made a third.
I'm like, alright.
Only to the writing it down.
I know, but
either way, writing it down ain't gonna make you rich.
write it up though. Like, let's say it comes down to 1,700. I put in another 90.
Take it out.
No.
Switch his position.
Let's say I go long right now and it comes down to 1,700. I put in another 90, put in another position. Comes down to 1,400. Put in another 90, put in another position. Now I got 3 positions. You know, it's like a spot
To the upside?
to the upside. It's like I'm playing spot with the power of leveraging when it starts to take off. You know what I mean? Instead of taking it to the downside and trying to trade it like I'm doing all the other stuff, I might as well just load up and hold a position because I'm already trading. You know what I mean?
What is it?
It's not worth to trade both and be doing both when I could easily, in my head, when I could easily just stack up positions, not even worry about it, and eventually it's gonna make me money.
Let's say it goes down to 1,400. Why don't you just write it back up to 1,700?
I am gonna ride it back. If it comes down to 1,400, I will ride that back up.
To 5,000 or to 700? I mean 1,700. Like you're not gonna have no like zones where you're gonna take money at.
Not really. I don't. I mean, I don't know. I'm not really.
Like if like look at this. Like this shit right here is like.
Is it worth trading that when you're already trading all the other stuff? You want to add something to the trade? You want to add something you gotta watch on the regular when you're already focused on.
I mean, what? Like,
That's
if
just
this drops
too
down
much.
like right here, right?
Dang, this
Right
thing
here.
came all the way back up though. Oh my god.
Like, why wouldn't you write it up to like, okay, it shows like a reversal at 1,400. It's like, okay, I'm gonna put 90 up to 2,000
Mhm.
because there's a zone right here at like 2,200, going right up to 2,200, and then from the 90, I made like $45, and then it shows if it shows it's gonna keep going up, then take it to this area right here, right to
Mhm.
2,700. Or to take it here to like write it up that way instead of saying like I'm gonna take that shit to 5,000 up here.
Um. I mean, you can do that. I mean, I might do that if the profit's good. Like, I just would rather be in longs. But if it comes out to like, let's say it just has a huge spike up to like 27, and I'm like, okay, this move is so crazy that there's gonna be a pullback, then I think it would make sense to pull out.
Mm-hmm.
But I just don't think it makes sense to take it to the downside at all. That's pretty much it. But I would, in theory, want to take it to 5K. But I'm not saying I wouldn't stop at 27 and then try to get back in lower. But
Okay.
I wouldn't want to sell at all. Not on this.
So like right here, right, right here was at 3,600, and you were like, I'm gonna go up to 5,000. Well, if you would have rolled it to the downside, you'd have been.
Yeah, if I knew it was gonna drop, then
But there was no indication that it was gonna make a reverse of the 5,000.
And where was I at?
Let's just say anywhere, like just say right here, 33, 34.
Okay.
That zone. Right. So this zone shows it hasn't broken over. So why don't you just write it down? That zone
Well, that one I was actually trying to trade it. That one I just got cooked.
to the upside
That one I got cooked when I was trying to trade to the upside.
to 5,000.
To I think even 4,000.
Even,
I mean, it didn't even get
that was 4,000 right here too.
Yeah, I mean, I think it got cooked, but
So you remember I was saying like this, everything is still under the MAs.
yeah.
MAs. It's not showing. It's not going to go the other direction, and then it stayed under the 200 MA. Here it crossed over, but here it went back under it at 29 or whatever it is.
Mhm.
Went back under it to the downside.
Mhm.
So it never broke like a key level to the upside. So it stayed under that zone.
Yeah, and that's what I was trying to trade it. Like, I could have took it to the downside. I was biased at the time, got cooked. You know what I'm saying? Also with Bitcoin being so high, it was a whole thing. Bitcoin was so high up, I was like, there's no way it's gonna keep going down. Bitcoin was at, got cooked. But this ain't that. You know what I'm saying? This could be that. Like, but I don't want to make this that.
Yeah, Bitcoin's at 74.
But yeah, I don't want to make this platform that. You know what I mean? I don't want to trade two platforms. I'm already struggling to trade one platform. So
that's a totally different platform.
That's a totally different platform. I could trade Ethereum on the same platform, and that's what I was saying. I was trying to do that, but I was biased at the time, got cooked. But this is a totally different platform, which I'd rather just send everything long.
Okay.
And have leverage to be able to keep stacking and have leverage without having any of these rules. I don't have any of these funding rules. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And I can hold the trade for forever. I need to look in more to see if there's swap fees.
Okay.
Because the swap fees are like over time. I get accruing fees, but I don't think there's like swap fees. But they are called futures.
Called futures.
Futures.
Okay.
So what do you know about futures? Does futures have swap fees? I thought futures and options were similar. Snap.
Yeah, because I remember, because I don't really trade on my futures with Ninja Trader, but they do have, like, make sure you're out by like 4 o'clock or some shit like that.
Are you saying it has expirations?
Who? No, that's so you don't get.
So they get the swap fees.
I don't really trade Ninja Trader. It's too complicated.
I need to do some looking to really know what I'm getting into, but I do want to at least get in a position right now, but I don't even know how to get in a position. And I would, when I see it on other people's, it seems like they just hold it for like years. Huh?
Hold a trade for years? Really?
That one guy I was watching had Bitcoin at like 40,000. He rode that all the way up to 120 something thousand.
I can see that. Because
You know what I'm saying?
yeah, I can see that.
Just holding it forever. He's like, I ain't taking it out.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Bitcoin though.
Bitcoin's back to 70. Because in theory, you get a low enough price, you just never have to take it out.
Look at Bitcoin, that's crazy. I could damn. If Bitcoin don't reverse, that shit could get down to what?
I've heard 60.
66. If it gets down to 60, I'm gonna buy one.
The whole Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I want to buy Bitcoin.
Huh?
I said I want to buy Bitcoin.
Would you trade your chain for a Bitcoin? Uh-oh.
I think I would.
You would you?
Yeah,
Oh shit.
I think I would.
That's a tough question.
That really ain't even a tough question. I would totally do that. What, a gold chain or one Bitcoin? Come on, I give Bitcoin all day.
If your chain hits 60 and Bitcoin hits 60 at the same time, would you flip it?
It's tough because I don't. Remember, I was trying to sell my chain and it was like. It was like, oh, banks ain't gonna give you. I don't know. It was seeming difficult.
Wow.
Cause Auntie Nikki was saying like, the banks won't let you put that money out, put the money in there or something, and this and that.
What?
Cause she said if I get all that cash and try to put it in the bank, they won't take my money. That's what I was thinking. So I don't know. For my chain to hit 60, gold would have to hit like probably like 10K.
What's your chain at now?
I think like 27.
27?
27. No, that was my appraisal.
Oh.
That was at 33.
Oh, okay.
But that was at 4,200. But you know, it's appraisal at the same time. So when gold was at, let me see. When gold was at 525, when gold was at near the peak, 5,500. It was worth 28. Melt. But you know, if you try to sell it, they're gonna also knock off 10% probably.
Oh yeah.
Probably.
You talking about California's government right now?
So I can't buy Bitcoin with that. So, dang man, this thing is just ripping. Do I just pull the plug? Or do I thug it out for the rest of the week? Also, I need it.
Alright too. It's tapping the shit out of that hot all-time high.
Oh no,
That is all-time high, right?
I think so.
Yeah, it's tapping the shit out of that all-time high.
I think so. I got one more entry though, up there. I also gotta go to work tomorrow too. I picked up some OT. A half day. I picked up OT last Saturday too.
Did you? Oh, that's right.
But I was like, you know, I'm gonna do a half day. And then after I did the half day, I was like, man, if I'm gonna go in, I might as well do a whole day. So why the heck? But then I wanted to get I wanted to get that song on Apple Music. So I was like, because I wasn't even gonna work. Today was supposed to be getting that song